Welcome to Alexander College Cyprus, with campuses in Larnaca and Paphos. We offer a range of undergraduate degrees in collaboration with Canterbury Christ Church University, as well as degrees in design and gaming development. Our UK LLB Honours Law degree and our UK Bachelor of Science degrees in Accounting, Business Management and Hospitality Management all have duration of only 3 years and are taught by experienced faculty members. We offer modern facilities that are equipped with the latest technology to support student learning. From our fully stocked library to our computer labs, we provide our students with the resources they need to excel academically. In addition to our academic programs, our location encourages our students to explore the beautiful city of Larnaca. With its stunning beaches and vibrant student scene, Larnaca is the perfect place to study and have fun. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Alexander College Cyprus.